Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss how you can handle outlier apart from directly removing the row where outlier is present. Okay, so for that, first of all, we need to import the data. I am taking one small data set from desktop, suppose data2.csv file. Alright, and here is our small data set. I'll click on this the green color right button, and the data will be imported. Okay, here if we write data2, I'll be having my small data set, and here you can see in the age column the ages are 44, 27, 30, 38, 40, 35, 78, 48, 50, 37. Here it is quite clear that this particular age 78 is quite different from other ages present in the particular column, and you can verify this using is outlier also. Okay, you need to simply pass the corresponding column, and if we run data, it will be data2.h, sorry, it is data2.h. So see here from the bottom at the fourth row you will have one value, logical one indicates here outlier is present, and from the bottom fourth row is this pen 7852 2000 no. All right, so this is detecting as outlier. By default it is using median absolute deviation principle. If you want to compute using mean or z-score concept, then here you can give another argument mean. All right, those things you can do. Already I have discussed also in my previous video. Now what we have seen, if outlier is detected, simply remove the particular row. But this many times leads to loss of information, loss of important information. Okay, suppose one particular person is giving all other information correctly, but in the one information instead of 1.3 by mistake he has given 13. Now if you remove all the information given by the corresponding person, then this is kind of injustice. Okay, your other parameters will affect due to removal of the corresponding row. All right, so what we can do, instead of directly removing the particular row where outlier is detected, we can change the particular value or particular outlier. Like we have seen that in case of null value removal, there were two ways: either remove the complete row or column. Another way we have seen that what we can do, we can replace by mean or median, like that. Okay, that is RM missing and fill missing. Similarly here, like fill missing, here there is one inbuilt function present, and that is fill outlier. Okay, let us check MathWorks documentation regarding that. Okay, so see here the particular link I'll be posting in the description box. No need to worry, here you can get the detailed explanation of fill outlier. So what it will do, it will take majorly two argument. One is your data, another one is fill method. If you click on fill method, it will directly take you to the different kinds of fill method. Like one way is previous. Okay, so what it will do, wherever outlier is detected in that particular column, the previous non-outlier value it will put. Like here you can see that here our original data set having 78 as outlier, previous non-outlier value is 35, because 35 here corresponding logical array having 0 value, that means 35 is not a outlier. So the 78 will be replaced by this 35. You want to check? See, I will be writing, first I will map the original data to, I will just take one copy, data 3 equal to data 2, because I don't want to disturb my original data set. And if you run data 3, it is having just same data as earlier, 78 is the outlier. Now we want to fill this outlier by its corresponding previous non-outlier value. So what we will be doing, data 3 dot age equal to fill outlier. Okay, then data 3 dot age, where we want to fill the outlier, comma, inside single quotation you need to give previous. All right, and if you give and run, okay, I have done a spelling mistake, actually it will be fill outlier. All right, and if you run now, if I write data 3, see what is happening here Spain 78 is basically replaced by 35, which is the previous outlier value, right? Then some other method is also there, like next. What it will do, from the name itself we can clearly understand, it will fill by the next outlier, non-outlier value. Okay, so see, let me again make data 3 equal to data 2. So if I write data 3, see here outlier is present. So what it will do, the next will basically replace this outlier by the next non-outlier value. Non-outlier value is here, so it will replace 78 by 45, 48. Okay, so let us check data 3 dot age equal to fill outlier, then data 3 dot age comma next. All right, and if we run again, I have done spelling mistake, actually it will fill outlier, sorry. Now if I write data 3, see the Spain 78 is replaced by the next non-outlier value, which is 48. Okay, 48, 48. Then there are some other methods also, like nearest. Okay, it does not matter that next or previous, it will replace by nearest outlier value. Let me show you, like data 3 equal to data 2 I will be doing, and if you check data 3, here outlier is present. What we will be doing, we will be simply fill outlier, we will do nearest. Okay, what will happen next or previous, see 78 nearest previous non-outlier value is 35, and next non-outlier value is 48. Okay, but if we run now, if we write data 3, see it is replaced by 48. Okay, see 48 is the replacement. Why? If you check, see very simple, Spain is having value 78. Okay, so what is the non-outlier value which is nearest to 78? Obviously the second maximum, and second maximum of the age column is 48, so 78 is replaced by 48. It does not matter whether that is next or previous. Okay, nearest is the matter. So like the different methods are present, you can check. Another argument here you can give, which is very important to point out, see I have told you there are two different methods. One is either detecting outlier using z-score, or detecting outlier using MAD, that is median absolute deviation. By default, if you don't give anything, it is this particular field outlier is basically detecting the outlier using MAD, which is default in MATLAB, that is median absolute deviation. But suppose you want to detect the outlier using z-score, or means you want to detect the outlier using means, what you have to do, we have to give the next argument as mean. Okay, MEAN. It will indicate your outlier detection methodology is using z-score, and outlier modification methodology is replacing by nearest non-outlier value. Here you can check the documentation clearly written, like see here if I go down here, you will be getting like here, see fill outlier A comma nearest comma mean. Okay, so this what it will do, create a vector containing an outlier and define outliers as points outside 3 standard deviation from mean, replace the outlier with the nearest element that is not an outlier, and plot the original data and the interpolated data, and some like plotting visualization they have given. So main fundamental idea is this line you should understand, that A is the array or the column from which we have to remove the outlier or we have to handle the outlier. Nearest method will replace the outlier by the nearest element, and what the mean will do, to detect the outlier we are using which method, that is mean, that is z-score. Okay, that is those points will be treated as outlier which are basically 3 standard deviation from the mean. Okay, this is the most important part. All right, so I hope you have understood this, that how to handle outlier apart from removing simply the particular row or the particular column. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.